Are you looking for the best resin 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best resin 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ANYCUBIC 14K Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro is a high-end 14K resin 3D printer designed for professional-grade detail and speed. It features a 10.1-inch monochrome LCD screen with an ultra-high 14K resolution, around 13,320 x 5,120 pixels, and an impressive printing speed of up to 170 mm per hour, thanks to its COB Light Turbo 3.0 technology. The printer includes advanced features such as a heated resin vat with automatic temperature control, an auto resin refill and withdrawal system, and a large printing volume of 8.78 inches by 4.95 inches by 9.05 inches, approximately 223 by 126 by 230 millimeters. These capabilities allow for exceptional print accuracy, consistency, and convenience, making it ideal for users who create detailed models, jewelry, or prototypes. The sturdy build ensures durability, while the heating system maintains stable performance even in cooler environments. However, its premium price, heavy vat design, and occasionally inconsistent auto-refill feature are noted downsides. Overall, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro is an outstanding choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking ultrafine detail, fast printing, and advanced automation in resin 3D printing. Number 2. Creality Resin 3D Printer. The Creality Halette 1 Plus is a high-quality resin 3D printer equipped with a 7.9-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen that delivers sharp and detailed prints with a resolution of 4320 by 2560 pixels. It features a build volume of 172 by 102 by 160 mm, 6.77 by 4.02 by 6.3 inches, providing ample space for most small to medium-sized resin projects. The printer comes with dual Z-axis linear rails that enhance stability and reduce layer shifting, ensuring smoother and more accurate prints. With its reliable performance, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, and user-friendly touchscreen interface, the Halette 1 Plus is ideal for creating detailed models, miniatures, and prototypes. It also includes an 11-piece model tools kit for easier post-processing. The printer offers excellent value for its price, combining precision and ease of use in a compact design. However, its moderate build volume and need for proper ventilation and post-curing equipment are important considerations. Overall, the Creality Halette 1 Plus is a solid and efficient resin printer for both hobbyists and professionals seeking high-resolution prints with consistent quality. Number 3. Max Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max is a large-format 7K resin 3D printer designed for high-precision and high-volume printing. It features a massive 13.6-inch monochrome LCD screen with a 7K resolution, 6480 by 3600 pixels, delivering exceptional detail and accuracy across a large build volume of 11.8 by 11.7 by 6.5 inches, 300 by 298 by 164 millimeters. Equipped with an advanced LED matrix light source and an automatic resin feeding system, it ensures consistent performance and convenience during long or large-scale prints. The dual linear rails provide stability, while the fast printing capability makes it suitable for professional users who need both size and precision. However, due to its large build area, it consumes more resin, requires proper ventilation and maintenance, and prints can take longer compared to smaller resin printers. Despite these considerations, the Photon M3 Max stands out as an excellent option for creators, engineers, or studios seeking to produce detailed, large-sized models efficiently and with high accuracy. Number 4. Phrozen Sonic Mighty. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer is a high-performance tabletop printer designed for users who demand exceptional detail and precision. featuring a 10-inch monochrome LCD with an impressive 8K resolution and a fine 28 mxy accuracy. It delivers ultra-smooth surfaces and intricate details ideal for miniatures, models, and action figures. With a generous printing volume of 8.6 by 4.8 by 9.3 inches, 218 by 123 by 235 millimeters, it allows for larger or multiple prints in a single run. The printer is equipped with a stable dual linear rail system, ensuring steady performance and reducing print layer shifts. It also utilizes efficient light distribution technology for faster curing and consistent results. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K combines professional-grade quality with user-friendly operation, making it suitable for hobbyists, designers, and studios looking to achieve premium resin prints with both scale and precision. Number 5. 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer is a professional-grade tabletop printer designed for users who demand exceptional precision and larger build capacity. It features a 10-inch monochrome 8K LCD screen that delivers an impressive 28 resolution, ensuring ultrafine details and smooth surfaces for models, miniatures, and action figures. With a spacious printing volume of 8.6 by 4.8 by 9.3 inches, 218 by 123 by 235 millimeters, it allows users to create larger prints or multiple smaller ones simultaneously. The printer is built with dual linear rails for enhanced stability and a linear projection LED module that ensures even light distribution for consistent curing. It also includes a user-friendly 5-inch touchscreen interface and supports USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connectivity options. The Sonic Mighty 8K stands out for its balance of precision, speed, and build size, making it ideal for designers, hobbyists, and professionals who want to produce highly detailed resin models efficiently and reliably.